It's me, Roxy. Right now I'm about to go out my neighborhood. Roxy party like the party. I can't even say it all. I got chocolate in my mouth. What chocolate? I'll like everything. I'm going out in my neighborhood and there's blizzards to go play. Here we go. Oh my god, it's locked. Oh no, it's not. What is it? Let's just watch it. Footsteps. You know footsteps? That's Morgan's job. You can't even see it. It says Ritos. Like, the street and the sidewalk are like blending in right now. Watch it. I can fix snow. Let's see where I can post this camera up so I can make a video. Hold on. Oh, what's going on? Oh, shoot. Oh, no, it's fluffy. Right there. I'm gonna go play in the snow. Whatever. Okay, bye.